What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly add Google Apps to your bookmark bar in Google Chrome. All you have to do is ensure that your bookmark bar is turned on. So you want to click the three dots on the upper right of Chrome, go to where it says bookmark on list, and here you'll have the option to show bookmark bar. Currently mine is on there already, so it's saying hide. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So if I click three dots, go to bookmark and list, you can see that it says show bookmark bar. So that's the first thing that you want to do. Then the next thing that you should do now is just right click on the bookmark bar, and here you'll find show app shortcuts, and you'll see that you have the apps right here for Google. So you can click here now and you have the apps such as Google Docs, Gmail, Google Chat, Google Drive, Sheets, Slides, and so forth, right? So this is how you can quickly have access to your Google Apps directly from your bookmark bar. So it doesn't matter which tab you are in or which website you're at, you can quickly access those apps directly. So if I wanted to go directly into the Gmail or into Google Chat, boom, I click on that and it's going to quickly open up Google Chat or whatever for me. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.